Hey guys, Kevin here, welcome back to the channel. Different shirt, it got colder. I want to quickly start the car up real quick because it hasn't been started in like 2 weeks. And I've been told that a car shouldn't be sitting like that if it's having issues. So I'm just going to quickly start it, see what happens, and we'll go from there so we can get started with the rest of the day.
So, Omar thinks this is him in real life. Let's see it. Shit.
Bye, Nikki! Oh, Supra broke down again. Got smoked by another 5-0.
And we got Kevin over here doing some Photoshop. Just chilling until we go out to the car meet.
Hey guys, Kevin here, and I'm with D. Bauer. We're in the Jenny right now, and we're actually going to meet up with a bunch of people so we can go to a car meet. And yeah, we're looking forward to that. So
there's gonna be some nice cars out there.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
My pain and sorrow could fill up a whole ocean. It cuts so deep that it's leaking out my emotions. This world is broken, people are closed in, but this right here, some words for the unspoken. I still think about it, lonely at night, just staring at the ceiling. 2 people die every second, what a terrible feeling. And we just move on with our lives, pointing fingers every time the media praying. But y'all think that's gonna make a healing? Throwing up hashtags and retweets, that's more trash than fake rappers selling some CDs. I need to tell y'all MC one thing, you all sound like somebody else, but not me. This contest is everything, so let me break it down. Second, I got the number 1 minute. You motherfuckers pathetic. I'm coming out to leave you breathless. I'm spinning this shit so relentless. You know my flow is authentic. I studied the game and finessed it. Man perfected, excuse my etiquette. It's irrelevant in rap music. That's why it's building adrenaline, and I'm dying to use it. Yeah, I'm dying to use it. I'm ticking just like a bomb, and nobody else can defuse it. This a competition. I'm trying to set the bar high. Voting on me will give me power to fuck up all your lives. Give me all the permission to tell you all of these lies. That's a political standpoint from me, so don't you deny the facts that I'm spitting. Hold on, let me bring up religion. Whatever religion you make a living. I'm sorry that people fighting while other niggas just sitting. Video footage, take a fly with their decisions. When I find out that wonder what society is tied to. It was supposed to combine us. The only time we come together is if we under bad weather or we lose somebody close. Come on, that don't define us. Strength in numbers, we warriors like no other. From every color, we brothers and sisters. I hope that y'all get the picture. My only goal's to get bigger. Just give me a beat and I'll show you how much I could body and litter. My flow sicker, this the type of shit that make your body shiver. Off of words that I deliver, resurrect the game like Thriller. Pull the trigger on you niggas, snapping without fucking fingers. I just let these shots slinger go against me, you a sinner.
Alright, let's do it. Car's off. Car's back up and running, baby.
Don't forgive me, but you know I had to do it. Know I had to prove it. Moving every syllable is stupid. Don't get me loose, and I'm the solution. It's not this confusion. I do this every day like it's nothing. It's so amusing. Cause I'm the man of the...
Alright guys, so we actually got kicked out.
Yeah, I got kicked out of Target, so I guess we're moving over to a different store.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't really recorded much.
Just acting wild, acting a fool, making a big scene for nothing. It's just a Genesis, you know.
Hey, put yourself down, man. Fucking asshole.
So, you know what?
There's a state trooper right there, boy, don't do it. Got a couple of Z's. My Genesis.
What's up, player?
Omar's EcoBoost. Clean. Got a 600 horsepower Supra. GT-R. 2017. Make 600 to the wheels.
I mean, I guess I can't.
Rapping, ain't no way I'll disappear. Cause I'm pursuing my vision to be ribbon. I never be slipping the way I be spitting, saliva be dripping. I'm constantly giving, I've always been killing like Rambo. I look at myself like I finally made it. They copy and paste all the shit that I pinned. I've always been hitting, but look at all the shit I overcame though. They don't know, definite is on the rise. All we do is grind, multiply, homie, get it right. This the type of shit that get inside and make a petrified. So let's set aside, I'll let you take notes so you can sit and summarize.
We got kicked out of Target, so now we're over here at Route 21. But there's really not that much out here, to be honest. Only fast shit is the GT-R and the Supra, you know, and the Genesis. So it's whatever. That fucking Supra, dude.
Did you see this motherfucker put his... I missed it! Hey, you tractor zombies, look at that! Hey, I felt that shit. Fuck. He won't bring that out. I just noticed. I'm like, what the hell? I was like, you won't bring that out. I just saw that. Both of them are fucking loose and wobbly because I put LEDs in there and they're not like, they don't fit right. I gotta fix them. I'm just too lazy.
I think the Supra got you.
Yeah, well, because I don't.
No, but it's loud as shit.
I don't have two-step like he does.
Yeah. Dude, it was like banging my fucking ears over there.
So that's what happens when you bring exotic cars to a local car meet.
Fucking wild. Shit was crazy.
All right.
So we're out here after the meet, getting some gas. Meet was all right, but yeah, we're about to head home. Just got to get some gas first. That premium life. It's only
At
256
Sunoco and
here.
A-Plus, we value your
That was all
opinion
good.
and want to hear about your experience during today's fill-up.
How much gas you put in?
$10, and I'm a broke beat.
We're out at St. Pete. Not much going on. Just, we're about to head home. It was a pretty shitty car meet, except like the 2% of the exotic cars that were there. So there we go.
So if you guys don't know about my car, that was almost full bolt-ons. Oh my God, she was thirsty tonight. That's the life of a race car, baby. It's almost full bolt-ons. It's an ISR downpipe, straight pipe, no cats, no resonators. A Spectra short ram intake, and that's about it, I think. Omar's over here getting this shit stuck over here somewhere. Oh shit. But Omar, oh.
Where are we at?
Wendy's.
We're at Wendy's. Pretty much at the end of the day. I think after this, we're just gonna go home and edit the next vlog. We actually met up with a 330i, nothing crazy. His clutch is going out, apparently.
Yeah, he won't run it.
He won't run it. But yeah.
He's scared of the little Jenny Jen.
Alright guys, so we're gonna end the vlog here. If you made it this far, it's been a hell of a day. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and comment, subscribe, do your thing, you know what I mean? And we'll catch you next time, alright?
Yeah,
Take it over.